Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Are you struggling to find attachments in your Canvas inbox messages? It's a common question for many Canvas users, whether you're a student trying to access assignment files or an instructor looking for submitted documents. The way Canvas displays attachments can be a bit hidden, leading to confusion. Unlike standard email, attachments aren't always prominently displayed in the initial message preview. To successfully view an attachment, you need to follow a few simple steps. First, navigate to your Canvas inbox within your course or dashboard. Next, locate and click on the specific message that you believe contains an attachment. This action will open the full message in the viewing pane. Once the message is fully expanded, direct your attention to the message header area. You are looking for a small, distinct paperclip icon. This crucial paperclip icon is usually situated near the sender's name, or sometimes positioned directly above the main body of the message content. When you find this paperclip icon, click on it. Clicking the paperclip will reveal a drop-down menu or a clear list containing the names of all files attached to that particular message. To access any of these files, simply click on its file name from the list. Your web browser will then typically prompt you to either open the file directly or save it to your computer or device. If you examine the entire message and do not see a paperclip icon anywhere, it means that no traditional files were attached to that specific communication. Always remember to read the message body thoroughly, as some users might embed links to files rather than using the attachment feature.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.